Drainage tiling has been used to improve crop yield since biblical times, and laser systems have helped farmers determine drainage grades for decades. Now Gradient introduces a faster, easier, more efficient way to install your own drainage tile, without tricky mathematic calculations, without the time and difficulty of setting up and constantly moving a laser transmitter, without moving parts that add to your downtime, and with the ability to store the location of your tile on a memory stick. Gradient's Intellislope plow control system makes installing your own drainage tile easy. So easy, in fact, that if you can drive a tractor, you can install your own tile. With Intellislope's auto tile feature, all you need to do is drive over the land you want tiled, allow the Intellislope to log the land's topography, and calculate the perfect grade profile for the terrain. Turn the tractor around and begin installing the tile. It's that easy. Intellislope uses two independent sensors to control grade, a slope sensor and your GPS receiver. These two components work in tandem to make the necessary pitch adjustments to your plow, maintaining accurate grade control automatically. In fact, benchmark testing has proven that by combining the GPS receiver and slope sensor, Intellislope is able to achieve the accuracy of laser control systems without the inherent shortcomings of either laser or GPS-only systems. With laser control systems, wind, sun refraction, windshield reflections, trees, equipment, and other obstacles can interfere with the signal and affect its accuracy and ability to function properly. None of these elements come into play with the Intellislope system. If the GPS signal is lost for a time, say when tiling beneath trees, Intellislope is able to rely solely on its slope sensor to hold grade. The Intellislope system is better right from the start. When your tile plow is in the start waiting to come out of the outlet or main connection, a laser system doesn't know if your plow is nosed up or nosed down, and that can affect the start, the most critical part of your tile run. With Intellislope, the plow doesn't have to readjust to a different grade when you take off. You can set the plow at a 0.1% grade, and the plow's pitch is regulated under precise feedback control. You can also set the plow's grade for dropping the plow into the start, and Intellislope will maintain that grade automatically. This will improve grade accuracy and increase the amount of work you get done in a day. While laser systems are unaware of the plow's pitch and are constantly searching for the laser's beam, Intellislope uses a grade sensor to know the pitch of the plow, and it automatically maintains that grade in every environmental condition. Tiling with the laser system on a windy day is challenging at best. Wind-induced transmitter motion causes the reference point to bounce about. This effect is magnified as the distance from the tripod increases. As the distance increases, accuracy diminishes. Tile works best when it's not too deep and not too shallow. Intellislope's auto tile feature can follow the ground's profile to maintain a constant depth. By allowing you to select an installation depth, Auto Tile permits more consistent placement of tile in your soil sweet spot above impermeable clay layers. Laser, by contrast, must provide a straight reference regardless of the ground's profile. So unless your ground is laser straight, laser-installed tile will deviate from the optimal depth. With a laser system, you're limited to a 5 to 6 foot mast. If you have a hill higher than 5 feet, you could run out of mast quickly. Intellislope allows you to grade break infinitely to tile extreme terrain easily. Before Intellislope, you really didn't know if you were installing tile at the correct grade. Laser companies recommended that you calibrate a laser every morning for accuracy, but users seldom do this. Intellislope continuously self-calibrates the slope sensor by comparing against the GPS signal. Intellislope also provides positive feedback on every run about the accuracy of the tile installation. If you set the grade for 0.2%, Intellislope knows that the tile should come up 2 feet over the course of 1,000 feet of terrain, continuously monitors this, and gives you a reading indicating how close you are to the target grade. Intellislope's plow setup screen allows you to enter the antenna height, minimum grade, and minimum and maximum depths you want the tile installed at. With this information, AutoTile can calculate the perfect profile for the land. With Intellislope, the tripod does not need to be constantly moved and adjusted for height and alignment. There is no motorized mast or other moving parts to wear or jam. no need to worry about the mast hitting power lines and barn doors if you forget to fold it down. No laser transmitter to calibrate, and unless you choose to work in manual grade control mode, there are no grade calculations to make. Intellislope's auto tile feature can schedule the tile profile for you automatically. If you own RTK or another high-precision GPS subscription service, you already own the most expensive component. Intellislope's patent-pending control algorithms combine the slope sensor signal, the GPS signal, and the model of the drainage plow's motion to produce an estimated position more accurately than is possible from the GPS signal alone. With current input costs escalating and land and cash rent prices skyrocketing, installing your own tile provides an incredible investment with a rate of return of more than 40% or better. Nothing else can provide this great a return for your lifetime. Intellislope makes it accurate and easy. If you can drive a tractor, you can install your own tile with Gradient's Intellislope plow control system. To find out more, call us at 888-764-5629 or check us out online at www.intellislope.com.